may nagka-problema kami doon sa system, sa loob mismo ng Magelco. Dahil nga po yung Magelco, ang binibigay sa atin mga consumers is just a trust receipt. No, it's not a receipt coming from the cooperative, but a trust receipt that you can buy that at the National Bookstore. And by the way, sir, I am appealing to you that since province of Maguindanao, meron po utang ang province ng Maguindanao sa PISAM as well as NEA. So I've talked to PISAM, NEA as well as NGCP because during my previous time, during the past administration of General Maungco, nagkaroon kami ng utang ng 3 billion pesos in which masyadong lumaki dahil first term ko, nasa 800 million lang yung utang. Then nung matapos po yung term ko, umabot kami ng 3 billion plus na utang. Dati-dati nagmula po ito sa province ng Lanao Sur, no, Lasureco, na bago iniwan ito ng dating General Manager Maungco, nag-iwan po doon ng 11 million. But the province of Maguindanao, what we did is we appeal. We appealed to NEA, we appealed to PISAM, we appealed to NGCP because supposed to be last year of somewhere in August, somewhere in June, dapat may notice na kami ng permanent disconnection of electricity. But what I did is I talked to those agencies that the province will guarantee on the payment. At of course, I have to talk with all the mayors, with all the barangay captains to cooperate in collection. Because may nagka-problema kami doon sa system, sa loob mismo ng Magelco. Dahil nga po yung Magelco, ang binibigay sa atin mga consumers is just a trust receipt. No, it's not a receipt coming from the cooperative, but a trust receipt that you can buy that at the National Bookstore. So yun po ang ginagawa nilang pangongolekta sa mga consumers namin. So right now, I am very much happy that bago na po yung general manager natin, so sa abot ng aming makakaya, pinipilit natin ma-reach yung quota natin na every month na makabayad tayo sa PISAM at the same time sa NGCP. But for this time, sir, I am appealing to you na sana mapakiusapan natin na hindi siguro namin maabot yung aming quota because I only have 1 year. At 1 year na maapela sa kanila na kung hindi kami makabayad, total disconnection na po ang buong lalawigan ng Maguindanao.
So anong naging usapan ninyo ng NEA, ng NGCP, ng PISAM? Na magkanong babayaran ninyo?
Nagkaroon kami ng MOA, sir, na a certain percentage, at least half of the collection power rate ay aming makolekta sa aming mga consumers. And then they agree. Nag-agree sila within 1 year na magkaroon man lang
1 year?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yun po yung agreement namin na within 1 year. So my 1 year will end August of next year. So if there will be no improvement into the collection, doon po kami magkakaproblema dahil kasama po doon sa MOA na napirmahan ko ng province, talagang puputulin na po yung aming kuryente. So this was all through the initiative of the province. Actually, nag-guarantee na po ang province ng 20 million pesos para hindi kami maputulan noong nakaraang June 30 nitong
So
taon.
yung nangutang is the cooperative.
Yes, sir. It is the
So ang may utang is the cooperative.
Yes, sir. Dahil may ang collectible yung cooperative, but ang problema natin, hindi nagbabayad yung consumer dahil ang pinapakita nga pong resibo is yung trust receipt that you can buy that in the National Bookstore. So the general manager before is also the treasurer, is also the auditor, at the same time the collector. Doon kami nagka-problema dahil nung kahit na ako sa probinsya ng Maguindanao, even the brigade before, no? You are wondering bakit trust receipt ang pangongolekta ng ating mga lineman or ng mga collectors coming from that certain cooperative. But we appeal na baguhin lahat ang sistema. Kaya po, sir, I am appealing to you na sana pakiusapan natin na pagbigyan mo ulit na i-extend ako ulit dahil nabawasan ulit ako ng isang buwan na hindi kami makakabayad ngayong buwan na ito.
I think we can do better sa payment schedule, repayment schedule. Balikan natin. Sige, pag-usapan
Yes,
natin.
sir.
Pag-usapan
Thank you very
natin.
much, Sir President.
I think we can help you with that.
Yes, sir.